Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the tangy world of pickles with none other than the best made sour pickles.
If you're a pickle enthusiast like me, you're in for a treat.
Let's kick things off by talking about the packaging.
As many of you know, presentation matters, especially when it comes to food products. The best made sour pickles come in a sturdy gallon-sized jar, ensuring that you get your pickle fix for days to come. The packaging exudes quality and reliability, setting the stage for what's inside. Now, onto the main event, the pickles themselves. These sour pickles boast a perfect balance of flavor and crunch, making them a delightful snack or a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. Each pickle is generously sized, offering a satisfying bite with every crunch.
Taste and quality are paramount when it comes to pickles. And the best made sour pickles certainly deliver on both fronts.
The combination of cucumbers, vinegar, and spices creates a bold and zesty flavor profile that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you enjoy them straight out of the jar or sliced up in a sandwich, these pickles are guaranteed to elevate any culinary experience.
Of course, no product review would be complete without considering the experiences of other consumers. After scouring through numerous reviews, it's clear that opinions on these pickles are mixed. Some customers rave about the intense sourness and nostalgic flavor reminiscent of childhood treats, while others express concerns about the packaging and taste consistency. Let's talk about value.
Priced at $24.16 for a gallon-sized jar, these pickles offer excellent bang for your buck.
Considering the generous portion size and the quality of the product, it's a worthwhile investment for pickle lovers everywhere.
In conclusion, the best made sour pickles are a solid choice for anyone craving a flavorful and satisfying snack.
While individual preferences may vary, there's no denying the appeal of these tangy treats.
Whether you're enjoying them solo or incorporating them into your favorite recipes, these pickles are sure to add a punch of flavor to any dish. That wraps up today's review of the best made sour pickles. If you've tried these pickles yourself, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on all your favorite products.
Until next time, happy snacking!